Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle. Now picture one piece, the Indian tectonic plate, potentially cracking in two. This mind-blowing discovery, presented at a major scientific conference, could rewrite our understanding of mountain formation and continental movement. The majestic Himalayas stand as a testament to the colossal collision between the Indian and Eurasian plates millions of years ago. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists believe the relentless push continues, causing a remarkable twist. The Indian plate might be undergoing a break beneath Tibet. Here's where it gets fascinating. Unlike typical subduction zones where one plate dives deep into the Earth's fiery mantle, the Indian plate seems to be peeling apart. The denser part is sinking, while the lighter upper layer stubbornly scrapes against the Eurasian plate. This process, called delamination, is essentially a tear ripping through the Indian plate. This find is a scientific first. While computer models hinted at the possibility for dense plates, directly observing such a split is unprecedented. It challenges our understanding of how continental plates behave and opens a new chapter in Earth's geological saga. But hold on, there's a twist. This theory is still under review by the scientific community. Just like a new jigsaw piece needs to fit perfectly, the research needs rigorous checks before becoming widely accepted. So, the Indian plate's potential split is a story waiting to be fully told. It's a captivating tale of mountain building, subterranean drama, and the ever-evolving dance of Earth's tectonic plates. Stay tuned as scientists continue to piece together this remarkable puzzle. Please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification button below.